अभी उधर से जादू यार, टैलेंट को इतना तुम लोग डिस्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो फिर कैसा चलेगा?
Becomes cheese dokla.
And our DOP again, low budget, sasta, creating ruckus behind the camera.
Is waiting.
Digin Verma, do you get that joke?
No.
If you know what the Digin Verma joke is, please write down in the comments. तू क्या stream में आ रहा है?
When you go and eat dokla outside.
मीठा चटना is the bomb. मीठा चटना.
चटना क्या है? चटना. चखना होता है. चटना.
Chutney is the bomb. ऐसा बैकग्राउंड में क्या स्वाद है जिंदगी के में. It all started when our Guju grandfather married our Goan grandmother around 60 years ago.
Not only did they break the shackles of a rather conservative society,
But they also broke all the shackles when it came to food.
from prawn curry rice,
To Undhiyo Puri.
this is our food journey.
Hi, this is Aman.
This is Alok.
And we are the Goan Gujus.
Hi guys, welcome to a new episode of the Goan Gujus. When you think about Gujarati food, I'm sure that the first thing that comes to your mind is what we are going to eat today, and that is our very beloved snack called the dhoklas. The first one that we have is the normal khata dhokla, which is the white dhokla, and the second one that we have is our version of the khaman dhokla that we have. You can also say that today's episode is kind of like, especially for me, it's like having khaman with Aman.
Thanks for the introduction, bro.
Welcome.
No Gujarati food conversation is complete without the mention of dhokla. I mean, when I say dhokla, it is synonymous to Gujarati food. It is, as important as that. So we are doing the khaman dhokla and the khata dhokla.
Yes.
You said that these are our version of the khaman dhokla. So
Yes.
what is the main difference? How are these different than what we get outside?
So khaman dhokla is made from besan,
Okay.
which is again not two sons as we said in the last episode.
Joke recap.
Yeah, it's made from besan, which is your gram flour. And what we do is we use besan. Along with that, we also add semolina in it, which is rava.
Okay.
And we add chokha, which is rice.
Okay.
So,
Rice flour.
rice flour.
Ah.
So that's what we do differently.
Okay.
The tadka that we put on the khaman dhokla at home is made with mustard seeds in hot oil, some curry leaves, and we put fresh coriander on top.
Okay. So what about the white dhokla? How are those prepared?
Khata dhokla you have to prepare a night in advance or a day in advance because you have to soak your normal rice, soak chana dal, and mix it with curd. Curd they use for fermentation in it.
Okay.
And
So they have to be fermented.
yes, they have to be fermented
Acha.
overnight preferably
Okay.
to give it the fluffiness.
Acha.
And again, there are various toppings that go on it. What we have is the one with pepper on top, which we find it very classical.
Yeah, I think generally people put lal mirch powder.
Lal mirch powder, you can even put corn on it. You can put
Acha, corn also?
Yes, boiled corn.
Okay.
You can put pieces of dal in it as well. So different types of dhokla will
I think that
toppings.
varies from household to household.
You can-
would have their. I think the other fancier dhoklas that we get outside, all of them are basically permutation and combination of these two only.
Yes,
right?
this is
More
the
or
base.
less, yeah.
This is the base. You put chutney inside, and club it between two doklas.
It
It becomes a sandwich.
dhokla. हाँ,
Sandwich
correct.
dokla.
हाँ.
Then you put dabeli filling inside.
In the dhokla?
In the dokla, it becomes a dabeli dokla. You put
You
pav
trust
bhaji.
good Jews to elevate anything, okay? Like whatever you tell them, you give them chapati, they will elevate that also, I'm sure. Thepla is elevated chapati. I'm going to start off with the homemade, our adaptation of the khaman dokla, or rather our version of the khaman dokla. So DOP, if you can kind of come close over here and you see, I mean, just how, you know, spongy and fluffy and light they are. They're absolutely fantastic. I think let's dig in. We are going to take a little bit of the chutney also.
This chutney, green chutney, has come from Dimple's house in Kandivali.
Ah, acha.
So it is Sasural
It
ka
has
chutney.
to be mentioned, Baba. Nahi to
Yeah.
little bit of the meetha chutney. That's the
I'm just
stuff.
dipping it in.
I really wasn't expecting to, although I've had these like millions of times. I think Indu has made them extra tasty today, I feel. They're absolutely fantastic, guys. Like, we'll put the recipe again down in the description. Please try it at home because these are absolutely wonderful. Dokla, cheers. Okay, let's try the white dokla.
Yeah.
Dig in, bro. So I think the chutney, although it's like an accompaniment, it adds a lot of layer, right? Like if you just have the dhokla, of course they're very nice, but the chutney just, you know, kind of takes it to some other level,
When
I
you-
feel.
So guys, thank you for tuning into the Dokla special episode of the Goan Good Juice. Please like our videos, share it with your friends and family. Do comment on the videos and let us know what you think about them. And subscribe to the Content Brewery channel. And keep watching Aman and me eating food.
Bye.
Keep eating.
Thank you.
I was going to say कि दिमाग का ढोकला हो गया है.
Good ना. वो मजा आ गया यार.
अजी आपको?
आपने